Samuel, let's hear from you.
Yes, thank you so much, Victor, and thanks to your guest. I want to be on the side of Wike a little bit for very many obvious reasons. And I think very importantly that this is season of politics and politicians are playing politics. Wike has within his rights, the need to play his own politics. And he had decided to play it with dividends that he provided. In this platform, one other time, I spoke about Wike appearing to be more credible than the people he was fighting within his party. I think you cut off that part and posted it, and a lot of people listened to it. I still stand by that assertion that Wike is more credible. Wike to me seems to be the best politician so far in Nigeria. Since I was born till now, I've not seen a governor who went overboard in bringing dividends of democracy to his people. Wike actually that man has the heart of the people. He has heart for the people. That man is a solid material to become a president. There are people, somebody like Showore, I love him. P2B, yes, he will do well. But you see, Wike, these are the guys that can indeed bring transformation to this nation. So I don't care the people fighting him. He's also playing his own politics. I look at him and he's not even fighting to become a senator. No, he's not. Even if he loses that, the man is contending with, I have done my bit, I'm going. He's not fighting to become a senator. He's not fighting to continue after his tenure. But that guy has brought dividends of democracy indeed. He tried to do something in different aspects of democracy. Why won't the Chief Justice, celebrate him? Do you know how much the legal or the judicial departments have suffered in the nation? My brother in the studio said that even the federal government are not doing what they are supposed to do. And it's a state man that is doing it. And then, oh my goodness, when APC won and Buhari became president, I said this before, PDP never did any opposition. They never played any opposition role. Indeed, they never opposed APC. They never criticized them. They never challenged them. But I noticed Wike was almost single-handedly doing that. Where was Atiku? Where were all these other people? Even the group that came out crying, the CUPP, I don't know what the name, I hope I got it right. Where were they when so many things were happening in AC government? Why did they not come out? Why was it as if there was no opposition back in the days? The only opposition I remember is Wike. And now they are doing this to him. Listen, the school of thought, the Wike political school of thought is what I'm embracing. By God's grace, when I become the governor of Abia State tomorrow, man, I'm going to probably adopt Wike's approach. I will bring mind-blowing dividends to my people. They will know a governor came here. And I will be strong against people who want to fight me, because the people must be paid attention to. And that's what I want to say. God bless him. The Chief Justice eulogizing him and singing his praise. Yeah, it might be complicated or technical, but that man deserves for somebody to really, really sing his praise. When we look deep, that guy is a good material that this nation needs. And I yield back the mic, Mr. Victor.